This question is about units and mechanical power. So looking at the possible statements, then we've got it is a vector quantity. Power is not a vector quantity. I don't particularly have a good way of explaining why it's not a vector quantity. It just isn't. Energy is not a vector either. So there are a number of properties that aren't vectors that you need to be aware of. So mechanical power is not a vector. Measured in joules? No, it's not measured in joules. It's in joules per second. So that's incorrect as well. The third one would require some checking. So whether it's fundamental units or kilogram meters squared second to the -3, I don't know that. I would need to work that out. It can be calculated from force times distance, or force times distance is work done. So although that might be one step in a calculation, in terms of that being a good answer, I can't work out power from just force times distance moved. I would need time there to be as well. So none of them are correct, apart from possibly C, and C I would need to work out. So my way of doing this would be to state that power is measured in joules per second. A joule I can get from force times distance, so Newton meters per second. So I'm still not in fundamental units, so a joule's not fundamental, Newton's not fundamental. And then a Newton I'll get from F equals ma. So that's work done, gets me the energy, and this I'm going to use F equals ma to get me a Newton. So F equals ma, mass is kilograms, A, acceleration meters per second squared, and then multiplied by meters per second. So then you can probably already see the answer. It's kilogram meters squared second to the -3. And if that matches the unit, the fundamental unit that we're given, which it does, then that must be the correct answer.